Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and back with another best video. In today's video, just want to talk about the board Ape NFT. So basically, how can we buy this one NFT and how can we make $1 million in a month from this one NFTs? So I just want to clear every point about this one NFT. Basically, first of all, you must know about the OpenSea. If you are the holder of any or NFTs, you must be know about the OpenSea, how can they work, and as well as if you want to study about some more about OpenSea, so it is also too much important because you must be send your Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet because it is too much important to buy any NFT. So this is how can you make money easily from NFTs. So first of all, I just want to scroll down and you can see right here there is a different types of prices of NFTs. Like if you look to the first one NFT is 6588. This is almost 79 Ethereum price of one NFT, and the second NFT is 80, and the third one is 80.2, and the fourth one is 81. So I just want to click on the filter button right here. I just want to click on the filter button, and right now I just want to click on the price, and here I also give any type of any type of we can give a range, but I don't want to give a range. And if you look to floor price floor price is almost 79, and best offer is 71. So if you find out any NFT on 71 Ethereum, so it is too much pretty good. But if you want to buy from the floor price like 79 Ethereum, so first of all I just want to tell about this, how much you earn from one NFT if you want to buy from on the floor price, and if you want to sold out this NFT on 80 Ethereum. So right here I just want to click on that, and after that I just want to change this one to Ethereum, and after that you can see there's a USDT. For example, if you want to buy one NFT on 79, so here is about this one per price. So here I just want to clear, and if you look to one NFT is almost $1,537. So means that this is how can you make from one NFT almost $1,500 easily from one NFT. And as well, if you want to buy others NFT, like I just want to scroll down and you will be find out different prices of NFTs. And like if you want to sold out any NFT on $4 or $5, if you want to hold for some time like for 2 3 months, after that you will be also get a huge discount, huge amount from this one NFTs. Like if any NFT any your NFT is sold out on 84 Ethereum, so means that you will be on almost 5 Ethereum, and this is almost $7,688.60. So this is how can you make a money from NFTs by buying selling NFT. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.